Hello and welcome to the Real Estate Regroup Show. I am your host, LJ Walker, a real estate investor, helping you realize your dreams of owning a home or investing in one. Well, I saw an article in AARP's 2024 Money Guide that I thought was quite interesting. You see, I am a mortgage note investor, and there still seems to be some people who have a hard time wrapping their head around what that is. And some people have actually said it's a scam. Well, guys, let me read the article to you so that you can see for yourself that this way of investing is definitely not a scam. Okay, in the subsection on actually page 11, where they were answering the question, why are long-term rates on mortgages so high? Their response is as follows. Interest rates on mortgages are generally tied to the yields on 10-year Treasury notes. You can buy Treasury notes, by the way, as well. That's another type of investment. Anyway, the additional reason is this. After banks originate mortgages, they sell them to investors, that's me, who start receiving the mortgage payments. If mortgage rates fall, homeowners will likely prepay high-rate mortgages to lock in lower rates, reducing the income for the investors holding those mortgages. Because today's rates have so far to fall, it's likely that homeowners will jump at the chance to refinance and prepay their mortgages someday. To attract investors concerned about that possibility, banks have raised the mortgage rates even higher. And Zandy says, I'm not sure who Zandy is, but I believe that's a person that works in the bank. They say investors need to get compensated for the risk they're taking. So a lot of people, when I mention to them, as a mortgage note investor, you are buying mortgages from the bank. And if you're not buying it from the bank, you're buying it from someone like a broker, a mortgage broker, or a mortgage flipper, someone who flips notes, if you will. What they do is they go to the bank, they have a relationship with them, and they buy it in bulk, or they get a list in bulk. And then you and several other people go through that list and you choose what it is that you want. Once you get what you want, then you become the bank. And that is what I do. And it is explained clearly, I feel, in AARP's Money Guide. Okay, so yes, mortgage note investing is another way to invest with less stress, because you don't deal with tenants, toilets, and trash, radiators, rats, and renters. You only get a mortgage every month, just like the bank would have. That's how the whole system works. Okay, but I know only a lot of times they only force or only tell you about maybe 2 or 3 ways to invest, instead of telling you that there are so many different ways out there. All right, so that article just caught my eye, and I needed to share it with all of you so that you can look at alternatives, because all of you, listen, I done 2 gut rehabs, and they take time. They also can be stressful. So just think of another way. Just realize that there are other ways out there that take less time and less stressful. I'm not going to say that there's no stress at all. No, there is some level of stress, but compared to the other ways, not so much. And one of the main reasons is because it doesn't take up that much time once you get it. And once you have it, it doesn't take that much time to keep it. Okay, guys? All right. So that's all I have for you. Hopefully this information will help you make smart financial moves. Feel free to pass this amongst your friends. Remember, each one, reach one, teach one, because sharing is caring. Bye for now. Until next time, have a good night.